Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I have the Shirogorov F95 here with me with Micarta inlays for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. It's Shirogorov F95. It's a classic 8.75 inch long, 5 inch long blade, beautiful titanium frame lock, extremely nicely finished, guys. This version has micarta inlays, has a 3.75 L-Max steel blade with a full flat grind. Incredible sound, guys. Just superb. 4.7 ounces in the pocket, 3D milled titanium pocket clip, really cool fit and finish going on. Absolutely fantastic grip in the hand. Action is super smooth, running on single row bearings. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.